Welcome to the video, guys. Today we are putting on that big boy. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, it's bigger than my fucking whole body, man. Look at it. Check that thing out. Huh? Last few weeks it's been cosmetic stuff. Well, not anymore. If you watched last week's video, you'll know that we sorted out the engine bay and there's only one screw in the front bumper. So screw off, jack car up, headlights out, try and get the bumper to wing brackets separated. So, under the bumper, you've got two of these wee clips that connect the bumper to the splash guard. Then, 4 10mm bolts in here. One facing up, one facing down, one facing up, one facing down. And then you've got T27 torch bits and one 10mm and 10mm socket in there. So, we should just be getting the bumper off now. That should be us sorted. Let's see if it works. Big Torx bit, and well, I think it's a 7mm sitting in there, probably since the dinosaurs were still here. Right, there's fucking what we're after right there. This bad boy, what's a wasp in it? Right, leaves. That needs painted. We are going to get to that. I'm going to paint that because it looks like fucking duck's dinner. Get these two bolts out here. I've got two 8mm underneath that are just spinning, so I'm going to have to, it's like a wee clip that they're going to, so I'm going to have to get my mold grips in behind, hopefully clamp that, get them out. It's been a bit, I don't know, an hour since I last spoke to these and I just had to grind them off. It was the stupidest thing ever. So, now I think we're all good to come off. Unless there's more bolts. Oh, there is! Bastard! Just taking this charge pipe off. Oh shite, that's that way. Oh Jesus Christ. Right, well, that wasn't meant to happen yet. This was not in the plan. Oh, there we go. There we go. Don't do it the way I did it there. That was wrong. That wasn't supposed to happen at all. What, have we got oil? Nah, nothing. Just water, I think. Look, there's that wasp I mentioned earlier. Rest in peace, little bud. Seen better days, this thing. Let's do a comparison. Guys, look at this. Look at the difference. Right, so if you look at my finger, goes to my knuckle. This one, oh my god. Look at the size of it. Oof. Check it out. I mean, you can really see it there, can't you? Wowie. So guys, to get these infamous intercooler mounting things, I'm obviously mold gripping one side and ratcheting the other. A wee bit that I just took off with the mold grips. Sliding that in there. Right guys, we're ready for the intercooler to go in, I think. Get the jack it up, charge pipes, boost pipes, and then get it in place. And then we can sort this mess out underneath. Guys, just going to nip up the wee bolts. Oh, Jesus, this is a bit of a awkward job. Now we've got to get this stupid thing back on. It's falling apart. Bang bang. There we go. Not much holding the intercooler, is there? Really? Anyway, bolts for the bang, bang. better clean up the threads on the bolts, every bolt you take out, because especially here in Scotland, the front end, it's getting so wet and so dirty all the time, so the threads are all just fecked. That's solid, we're all good to go. Bumper's going back on. Just going to put the motor back together and then we'll get this some money shots and then we'll go for a wee drive. Right, okay, everything's bolted up, ready to go. We're going to take this thing on the road and see how it is. And by the way, this is for Puma Speed, right? I ordered it on the 10th, it came on the 11th. I ordered it like 2 AM on the 10th, just turned the 10th, and it came like midday on the 11th, and it was a personal colour choice too, it wasn't just off the rack, so fair play, you know what I mean? Very, very fast service. Right, we're out for a wee cruise now. Sun's setting, golden hour, beautiful. Anyway, car is building boost, holding boost, great, amazing. So I didn't mess up the install, no get a boost leak, absolutely brilliant. Sounds a wee bit louder on the induction side. I'm not sure if I'm imagining that. Could be imagining that. However, I do have numbers and data in front of me. But I'm saving it for next week. Some people have hate me for that, but I want to do it justice, chucking it in the end of this video. You know, there's so much to get into. We're going to get a deep dive next week. It won't be like an install video. We're trying to understand the car, right? We're trying to understand what the car's telling us in depth. It'll be an in-depth video. So if you're into that kind of nerdy stuff, come back next week. Otherwise, guys, thanks very much for watching. Have a great Christmas, and I'll see you next week.